Okay, so this is Hi Valyrian and in Duolingo. I'm about to do a lesson. Hopefully it's good. Okay. Basics 1.
Nyuha kepa. Nyuha.
Noha Kepa.
Nyuha.
My
Kepa.
father, that's what it means.
Nyuha munya. Munya.
My mother.
Nyuha kepa kirine isa. Kirine. Isa. Nyuha kepa.
My father is happy.
Kirine kepa.
Karina.
Kirine kepa. Kirine kepa. Rinya kirine isa. Rinya.
The girl is happy.
Tauba kirine isa. Tauba kirine isa.
The boy is happy.
Abra kirine isa. Abra kirine isa.
The woman is happy.
Vala kirine isa. Vala. Kirine isa.
The woman is happy. Oh.
Nyuha munya kirine isa. Nyuha kirine isa.
My mother is happy.
Vala kirine isa. Vala.
The father is happy.
Vala kirine isa.
The man is happy. So that's how you do Hi Valyrian.